Okay. Hold tight, boo-boo. I'm gonna let him run a little bit. We're in the parking lot down by the pool. He loves it out here. It's kind of windy, so if it gets too crazy, I'll just have to redo it. But anyhow, Bentley is absolutely loving being a big dog. He's off the leash. Big Daddy's walking him down here by the pool, tennis court. So if Anna sees him doing this, this is what he's gonna expect when he goes to Tennessee for holiday. So make sure you get a lot of playtime off the leash for Bentley. Ooh, right here. Look at that big boy. He's peeing and everything. Good boy. All right. Stand by. More information on the way.